Looks really good. So I got a weight there on one end and one down. You see it's climbing the wall now, scooting along pretty good. I am able to adjust the flow on my pool pump, so I've got it where it doesn't climb too much, but if I turn more power to this, it'll climb. You see the hose shaking? That's what you want. Yeah, it's going to an area I need it to clean. Every now and then the line does pretzel, and that'll cause it to turn prematurely like this, so you've got to unwind it, straighten it out, and then it'll go for quite a while. But you can see how fast it moves along. See how it's making a turn because of this loop here. But yeah, this works really, really good. So I'm connected not to the strainer, but that's my setup there, but it has an attachment that you can go to the strainer. And then if you don't have the ability to adjust the flow, you can, like I do, and you can go to it has a part that goes in the strainer that has a flow valve, or you can turn it down a little bit if you don't like it climbing, which I don't. I'd rather it just hit the ground and keep on trucking. So yeah, I need to get this loop out. See how it's just gonna make a right. Once that loop's out, man, this thing really zips around the pool. 5 stars.